Perfectly fried shrimp over a Greek-inspired orzo is a delicious meal you'll want to enjoy often. Welcome to Anita's Kitchen, where we're making lemon garlic shrimp with Greek-inspired orzo. To make this, you'll need shrimp, orzo, feta, lemon, cucumber and tomatoes, olives, garlic and onion, and spices. See the description below for the full recipe and for more information. Let's prepare the shrimp. Wash 300 grams of shrimp. Pat dry and add to a bowl. Zest the lemon and add to the shrimp. Halve and juice the lemon. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice to the shrimp. Slice the remaining lemon into wedges and set aside. Peel and crush the garlic. Add a half teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of rosemary, and a quarter teaspoon of thyme. Add a half tablespoon of olive oil. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Stir to combine, then set aside. To prepare the orzo, quarter about 150 grams of grape tomatoes. Dice 30 grams of a red onion. Slice 2 cucumbers lengthwise, then lengthwise again. Then slice the strips into small wedges. Drain and halve about 150 grams of pitted black olives. Bring a medium pot of water to boil. Add a generous pinch of salt. Then add the orzo. Stir often. Taste for doneness. Right before al dente, remove from heat and drain. Add the orzo to a bowl. To the bowl of orzo, add the tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and onion. Crumble in about 65 grams of feta. Add a half tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dill, a half teaspoon of oregano, and black pepper to taste. Stir to combine. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix well. Now let's make the shrimp. Place a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add half a tablespoon of unsalted butter and melt. Arrange the shrimp and cook for 2 minutes. Flip and cook for 1 or 2 more minutes. Remove the shrimp from heat. To plate the dish, add a bed of orzo to a bowl. Then place the shrimp over top. Squeeze a wedge of lemon over the dish. Now let's eat. Perfectly cooked shrimp. The orzo is tangy and full of flavor. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.